Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to let you know about how we can utilize the append from one list to another list. I want to append it. So what I have to do? So here you need to create multiple lists and then I will utilize the append and extend. So what is the difference between append and extend? I will let you know. So you can easily understand after looking the practical. So here I'm just taking team 1 equal to, I'm taking first list, and here I'm taking John, Kyle, Mary. Okay. Second list I'm taking team 2 equal to Rohit, comma, Nitin. Third list team 2, team 3 equal to, I'm taking here square bracket Aman, comma, Sumit, comma, Amit. Okay. So these three lists I have created. Now you need to do operations. So here I'm taking team 1 dot extend. Extend is a function which help us to append to list value. So now here I will utilize bracket start and I will take here team 2. Now print the value. Print team 1. Team 1 has now 5 values. John, Kyle, Mary, Rohit and Nitin. So see here, John, Kyle, Mary, Rohit and Nitin, because here have appended, extended the value. Now, what I have to do, here I need to append the team 3 list. So you need to write here team 1 dot extend bracket start team 3. Then you need to write here print team 1, run it. So see here, now I have extended all the value. This is the list 1 value, this is the list 2 value, and this is the list 3 values. Okay, so I have extended. Now if I utilize here, instead of extend, I use here append. So what will be result? So see here, I'm just writing team 1 dot append, then you have to take here team 2. So what is the difference between this result and append result? This is the result for extend. This result is for extend. Then similar types of result you will get in append, but little bit different. So see here, print team 1, run it. So see here, as of now, here you have team 1 dot append team 2. So now team 1 value has all this complete list. Okay, this complete list has team 1. Now two more value appended, this is a duplicate value, is in different separate list. So this is the separate list, you can see here, this is the separate list. Okay, so suppose I'm taking here separate example. So here if I utilize only this two list, copy and paste here. Now I need to take here team 1 dot append, then you have to take bracket team 2. Okay, run it. After writing print team 1. So see here, as of now, this is a team 1 list and team 2 list is appended in separate list. So see here, this is the separate list created, but previously if we utilize the extend, no separate list is created. So this square bracket is available whenever we will use append. But whenever we will use extend, you will not get any square bracket here. So this is the difference between append and extend. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.